What's up, guys? It's been a while, been a minute. So today I'm just doing a quick video for people. What's up? For people that didn't know on how to connect your phone to your radio. Apologize for being so dirty in here. Just got back from San Antonio, and yeah, so we were getting ready to go to San Antonio. We realized, hey, we can't play music in the car because I don't have a Bluetooth radio or anything like that, because this is a 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer. And if you're like me, when you first got the Lancer, you got in, you're excited, you see the MP3 button right there, you're like, alright, see some controls up here, you're thinking, alright, I can, connect my phone to it. Then, you finally find the AUX plug-in down there. I should say AUX right there. Yeah, it says AUX on it. You reach in there, you pop it, only to find it's an AV plug-in. It's a white and a red plug-in. It's not just a regular AUX cable plug-in. So I did some research for that, and trying to figure out what cables I'm gonna need. And you can buy them on Amazon, but I was on my way to San Antonio already, so I didn't have time to order them on Amazon. So just stopped by my local Best Buy, and if you go into the video section, it's a RCA audio cable. So there's the white and red plug-ins, and you go straight to AUX to plug into your phone. I mean, there's other ways too. You can get one of those, Bluetooth transmitters as well. But the sound is really good actually through here. So this is the cable. It's got the red and the white on that end, and it's got the AUX on this end. So just reach down here like so. Pop this open. Red to red. And white to white. There we go. That's all plugged in. Then this end right here will go into your phone. Alright. So, take your aux ends. I know a lot of phones don't have aux jacks now, or headphone jack now, but mine does. It's an S8. So anyways, plug that in. And get this battery on. Got it plugged in, got the battery on. So then you're just gonna hold down this button right here. CD MP3, like I showed earlier. Hold it down until it beeps, and it'll say AUX. Say AUX on there. I usually just have my phone turned all the way up. Select the music you want. Let's see here. Music plan. I usually just turn this all the way up, then I'll control the volume from here. So there we go. And clean. Video AUX phone. Yep, and there you go. It's really simple, and it took me a long time to buy it for some reason. I don't know why it took so long to buy it, but there we go. Quick update on the on the custom Crown Royal shift boot I put on it's a little dirty, put on about 2 years ago. It's got my nickname on it, Jimbo Slice. It's faded out a lot, but it's held up. I mean, it hasn't ripped or anything. I've been shifting the heck out of it, driven tons of miles with it now. So yeah, it's still there, still good. So you can order those from their website and just have whatever you want printed on it or stitched on it. So that's cool. Another quick update, I got the windows tinted. Got the back limo tint all the way. So it's pretty, you can see out alright right now. It's like blazing sun out here, but on the outside, you can see out, but on the outside you can't see it at all. You just see me. So same thing on the back, 5%. limo tent all the way on the back, and then a tent that's just barely legal in the front, and then I got a brow, and the brow is only slightly, it's only 1 inch illegal, but that's enough to get away with it because you got the line right here. Yeah, I'm like 1 inch past that line, or actually have a couple inches, but whatever. Yeah, that's my update on that. Hopefully I'll make more videos. I'm in the process of installing LEDs, switching out all the lights inside, and also the tag lights to LEDs, so I can also make a video on that. It's really simple, easy stuff, but I mean, I was looking up videos too, finding out how to use the aux cord, so anyways, y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time for some more informational videos on the Lancer.